11th February 2016, the LIGO scientific collaboration announced the detection of gravitational waves. The SI unit of charge is coulomb. Very high frequency have dash wavelengths, shorter wavelengths. Long side defect could be corrected by using Vonneguet's lens. Deficiency of vitamin A results in night blindness. For a fixed mass of gas at constant temperature, if we decrease volume, the pressure will increase. The lifespan of red blood cells is 120 days. The density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Radioactivity was discovered by Becquerel. A device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called battery. The sun is a star. The average adult has a blood volume of about 5 liters. The most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is oxygen. Each day, human body breathes in 15,000 to 20,000 liters of air. Deficiency of vitamin D results in rickets. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. The most densest substance on Earth is osmium. A camera uses a dash to form an image, convex lens. Which from the following is not a conductor? All are conductors. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Which from the following is true for sound? Sound cannot travel through a vacuum. When white light is passed through a prism, it splits into dash colors, 6 colors. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to 9 meter. Instrument used for measuring very high temperature is pyrometer.